it's Brooke with WTI.
If you've been looking to advance your skincare routine, check this out by Aephro. This is a radio frequency skin tightening machine. I love this. It's called a 6-in-1 rechargeable anti-aging skincare microcurrent facial device. The settings of these are really incredible. There's 6 different settings, and there are intensities where it allows me to get used to certain settings. I love the cleaning setting where I start with, and I feel like I get such a deep clean. It really gets down into my pores and my skin feels shiny, looks shiny afterwards. The eye care is so awesome, especially as I'm aging and I have puffy eyes, so I love feeling the tingle underneath my eye while I'm using it. I also love the moisturizing setting with the yellow light, and I can feel the warmth. And after I use my lotion, I feel like it's getting deeper into my pores and my skin feels so moisturized. I love even the microcurrent stimulant muscle setting. I love it. It's called EMS, and of course, if you're not used to it, it does take time, but it feels so good. The RF red light feels really nice too. I can feel it warming up on my skin, and you can see the red light as well. I really like the warmth and also getting some heat onto my skin. It really feels nice for my routine. The very last setting is the cool setting, and it has the blue light. I really enjoy this, and I can't believe how cold it feels. It feels so great and refreshing at the very end. And once I'm done, I'm able to stand it up so beautifully on its charging device, and it's very compact. It looks so pretty with this black and pearl. It's also great for other parts of your body, like your arm, your leg. This is such a high quality device. I have enjoyed using it every day.
But that's just my point of view.